is the rose tutorial special to me? I think the first thing I got to actually work with Sarah Simon to develop a tutorial where she shows you how to paint the duplet paper in a special way that I think a lot of artists, especially paper florists, they never get a chance to really know the right technique. And I feel like Sarah, with her expertise, she's able to show you the right and the most creative way to use our paper in a different way that we've never thought about. And another reason why the rose is so special is I just love garden roses. The way they smell, I wish we could just capture that, but just visually, being able to create a rose, blooming your hand, that is so special. And it's so much fun just making paper flowers, and I just absolutely love it.